to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the rodeo TikTok trend. So this dance is pretty short, so it's going to be really easy for you guys to learn. And before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be a lot easier for you guys to follow. And now let's start with the first move. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to do this with our hands. So they're just going to do like a small circle. They're going to go up, and then we're going to bend them. Our right arm is going to be bent in front of us, and our left one is going to be behind us, like that. So it's going to go like this. 1. And you're just going to hear that beat, so you're going to go 1. And then you're going to twist your arms and do this. So circle, and then do like another circle. Like when you do these warm-up exercises, you know you're going to do one of those circles and just straighten your arms. So you're going to go 1 and 2. Once again, 1 and 2. Perfect. And now for our legs, it's also really easy. When we do this, we're going to do like a small kick with our right leg. So we're going to go 1. So we're just going to kick our leg inwards. We're going to bend it like this, but it's going to go inwards. Okay? So 1, and then for this, you're just going to stand straight. You're not going to do anything with your legs. So just the kick, and then straighten. Then you're going to do 2 jumps. So you're going to go 1. Your right leg is going to go back, and you're going to touch your heel, and then the other leg. So it's 2 jumps. So we're going to go 1 and 2, and then jump, jump. Okay, so basically in the first one, you don't actually do such a big jump. You can just do this and then switch. Doesn't really matter. Some people like actually jump, so doesn't matter. However, it's easier for you and like more comfortable. So once again, from the beginning, 1 and 2, and then jump, jump. Okay, so after we did this, our leg is just gonna go down and our arms are gonna go up, and we're just gonna like loosen everything. So our hands go down, we're gonna bend our legs, just, you know, like when you're tired, you go like this, like you just loosen up. You're basically gonna do the same thing. You're gonna go down, your arms are gonna go down, and that's it. So once again, from the beginning, kick, straighten, jump, jump, up, and down. Okay, so after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like this small circle. So we're just gonna like twist around like that, but we're gonna step with our legs. So we're gonna step with our right leg forward, and you're gonna twist with both your legs. Okay, so 1, and then just do it once again, and that's it. So 2 times, really easy. 1, and then twist again. Okay, so with your hands, you can do whatever you want. Some people just have them here, like they do whatever they want. Some people go like over their head with their hands. So however you want to do it, you're free to do it your way. So we're gonna go 1, and then 2. And then the only thing we're gonna do is repeat it again. And that's it. So that's the whole dance. You can either leave it here or you can start again. Really depends, like if you want to continue the song or you don't. But if you're going to continue, you just do the same thing over and over, and that's it. So we're going to be doing it from the beginning twice. First we're going to do it slow, and then we're going to do it fast. So first, let's go slow. Okay, so kick, straighten, and then heel, heel, up, down, and then circle, circle, and then again if you want to. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing but faster. So let's go. Kick, straighten, jump, jump, up, down, and then twist, twist, and we're done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!